Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Huh. I'm pretty curious. This kind of stuff is home to mosquitoes. I guess this is kind of lowland too, so when it rains, I wouldn't be surprised if this floods a little bit. There's a home mixed in with these apartments right here. The old style home. This one looks like a little business. Biggest Tutigong I've seen. I think that's Tutigong. It's massive. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So sometimes when you explore these little alleys, you find out stuff like this. I wouldn't have never guessed that that was there. It's like a little coffee shop. I don't recall filming this before. It's a little patio, Lourenço Marques. And we're kind of in this interesting area. There's a vegetarian stall right there, restaurant. And then this one is Maکی Street, this little stretch that goes down. And I think this one's going to go all the way down to the waterfront, so we're going to find out in a second. It looks like they kind of park their bikes in this area. So let's stay tuned, and then we're going to go down and check out this narrow little street with all this kind of... It feels like things are kind of opening from a home into here. So we'll see it all. Stay tuned. Okay, so this is a little patio, so we're gonna walk down it and just kind of see. And this is Maکی Street right there, so that goes all the way down, and it goes towards Sun Park is down that way. Looks like they're gonna park here. So let's go on down. Get out of everybody's way. Check out this little patio. Oh, that's kind of cool, this little window right here. By the way, this corner one is a vegetarian restaurant. So let's go on down. Huh. This talks about mosquito. This kind of stuff is home to mosquitoes. I guess this is kind of lowland too, so when it rains, I wouldn't be surprised if this floods a little bit. There's a home mixed in with these apartments right here. The old style home. This one looks like a little business. Okay. So we'll just kind of take it all in. This one, nobody's living there because all the mail is accumulating. Okay. So you have this written in Tagalog and in English and in Chinese, which kind of implies that there's probably Filipinos that live here as well, of course. So this is somebody's apartment, it looks like. And it's like they kind of store stuff outside. Oh wow, okay. That's kind of cool. Up ahead we're gonna get this kind of interesting looking apartment. Hello. Okay, so this one is the one that's kind of interesting to me right here. This looks like a refurbished. Let's just kind of catch what it is real quick. Yeah, that looks really interesting. It's like a coffee shop with a cat. But it's all new painted, and it's like there's another set of buildings that looks like this in another location. And this looks like it's like that same style. I wonder if I have filmed this before. Feels a little familiar. So let me just take a look. 1933. Huh. I'm pretty curious. This is the menu. That looks really cool. Let me just step back slightly. So yeah, this is just in this little alley right there. It's amazing. And this is the business right there. And then if you go all the way down, it looks like it ends. Oh wow. This is a really big shrine right there. The biggest Tutigong I've seen. I think that's Tutigong. It's massive. Okay, so this is kind of cool. So sometimes when you explore these little alleys, you find out stuff like this. I wouldn't have never guessed that that was there. It's like a little coffee shop. And it looks like we have a really nice image of our sign right there too, which I don't see very often. So yeah, this is actually a patio, which means that it's usually patios almost never ever have cars that go in there, but they do get scooters, of course. Then this one comes out over here. Got some graffiti. And we got our sign again right there, audio. And then this will come out to the ending spot, right here. Travessa de Caixa. So yeah, that goes right up into the hills a little bit. Wouldn't mind filming that. So let's give a little context to our patio. So our patio is right in this little space in here, and then we're gonna walk down a little bit down this direction, and then we'll give you the full context of it. So that slightly goes uphill, and then this is gonna go towards this waterfront. So we're just gonna walk down it, and then we're gonna end the video, and then by that time you'll have a little bit of context to it, what it looks like in its entirety. The location of it, I mean. So we're going to go into the middle of the street. No cars are behind me. Check out some of the artwork. And now we're out on this kind of main street over here. And then not too far from here would be Sun Park, straight ahead, straight down that way. Let's go around everybody here. And then over there is the waterfront right there. So you can see this whole road is up against the waterfront. Lots of people around. So anyways, our little patio was right in there, and then you went in and went like that. So on that note, we're gonna end our video. 2024. Let's check out Macau. Come on.